ask myself how I ended up back here. I got no idea, man. One day you're sitting there thinking everything's all rosy, and the next minute So, back at Willow Springs, pretty stoked. Wasn't exactly what I had in mind this year, but things have just worked out this way without any real effort on my behalf. Just fucking answering the phone. So, I was in Victoria and was supposed to be in Victoria working and playing a lot longer than what I was. Quickest resignation in history for quite varied reasons, and then I went playing in the high country. And that was going really well. I was enjoying that. I was in Lacola having some fun. I'd even spliced to one of them clips, like, joy. Very pretty. Okay, we keep going. You help Daddy out, okay? And then, yeah, I was there 3 days, get the call. Had some people that were supposed to start work here not show up. So, being the yes man that I am, I went, yep, start off. To shreds again. Ouch. Waiting for that flame out. It never comes. So who wouldn't take the call to come back and work in this place? The old action camera panoramic. I'm sure she's doing it justice. Yep. Hello, big fella. Sorry sorry to scare you.
If you are what you say
Right.
you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The cameras here and the microphones, and they wanna know what you know. Yeah, a fresh, cool young Lou trying to cash his microphone check 212. Wanna believe it all, it's too much true. The world brought me to my knees. What if you broke you? Did you improve on the design? Did you do something new? When you name it on the guest list, who brung you? You, the more famous person you come through. And the sexy lady next to you, you come too. And then the hitman standing outside of heaven waiting for God to come and get me. I'm too uncouth, unschooled to the rules, and you too young shoe. Too much of a newcomer and too uncool, like shadow in the veil. I battle with it well, though I need a holiday like lady who's unblue. Go back, whatever you did, you undo. Heavy as heaven, the devil on me 2 tons too. If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The cameras here and the microphones, and they wanna know, yeah. And you better wear your shades. The spotlights here can burn holes through the stage. Down through the basement, past the Indian graves where the dinosaurs laid. And out through China, and this is airliners magnified ×5. This is pointing at the rhyme of ricochets off the moon.
Really right into the tree. That's what I heard. The big girl does not love this shit. I'll give you the tip.
Unstrapped from the chair, put me back in his cage. The audience ain't phased, and they ain't gon' clap, and they ain't gon' praise. They want everything back that they paid, 'cause they been waiting since 10 to see the lights get dim. What you say you are, a superstar, but have no fear. The crowd is here, and the lights are on, and they wanna show, yeah. So chauffeur, come and take me away, 'cause I've been standing in this line for like 5 whole days. Me and security ain't getting along, and when I got to the front, they told me all of the tickets were gone. So just take me home where the moon is mellow, when the roses are thrown, and the nipples are yellow, when the light bulbs around my mirror don't flicker. Everybody gets a nice autograph picture, one for you and one for your sister, who had to work tonight but is an avid listener. Every song's a favorite song and mics don't feedback. All the reviewers say you need to go and see that. And everybody claps 'cause everybody is pleased, and then they all take the stage as I'm performing for me. Like,
So your fat boy's out of condition. Blowing. He's blowing hard.
a superstar, then have no fear.
Oh boy.
Cameras here and the
Never get sick of this track.
microphones, and they wanna know, yeah. If you are what you say you are, then have no fear.